Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today guys I'm coming to you with a requested video. Now this video was asked to show how to make banners for your YouTube channel. So if you're interested in finding out how I make banners, stick around. Okay guys, the program I use is PicMonkey. Okay guys, we're going to start off, we're going to pick a blank canvas. And up here, the custom settings, we're going to put in the size of the banner. Now guys, you need to write this number down and keep this with you at all times whenever you get ready to make a banner. It'll make it so much easier on you if you keep this banner measurements in mind. Now the measurements are 2560 by 1440. After you put those in pixels, you click make it. Now here it asks you to give your name. So I'm just going to put this as a test run banner and click create. Okay, next you'll see this full screen what the banner is made of. Now use the ball on your cursor to make the picture in the middle smaller or larger, however it feels fits to you, so you can see what you're doing. Okay, now what I'm going to do guys is there is a template that I use to make me put my information in correctly on doing my banner. So what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to try to link this template in the description bar below so you guys can get it to use to make it easier to make a banner. Now let me get it. Now what I do is I put it in the corner and I drag it to fit the whole screen. Now it's centered. Now you see here in the middle, this shows you where your banner will be at on your YouTube screen. Now here in the middle, in the black section, the darker gray rather, this is where you would want to make sure that all your information goes into. Because when you do it this way, when somebody looks at it on their phone or their tablet, they see all of your wording for your banner. Now you can make it bigger to go outside into the different areas of the gray, but when they put it up on their phone, they'll only see what's in this darker gray area. So let me give you an example. I'm going to do a banner with you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Now first you need to find your picture. Like I have a logo I use. I like butterflies. So I use this white butterfly, shrink him down some because you don't want it to be overbearing on the page where nobody sees what you're really talking about. Okay, now the lines come on, the red lines come to show you that you're centered horizontally and you're centered vertically. So I'm centered here. So the next I want to do is add my name. Now I'm going to use a different font. Let's see. I did change my font this time. Your fonts are on the side as you see guys. Over here on the banner on the side you see text. You click text, you go down and you find the font that you want to use. You click on that font and then you click add text. Now the box will come here on the screen. Click on the box and you type in whatever you have named your channel. Now I highlighted. You guys should know you click on the left button on your cursor on your mouse and highlight the name. You go over here to the side where it says adjust. In this box, text adjust. And you click on that color black. And you have a little white dot showing that it's in the black. You use your cursor and you guide it up to the color you want it to be. And right now I want it to be in white. just for this video purposes to show you how to change the colors. Then you click on the box, and then you can also add effects. Like I like to add drop shadows. It raises the pictures off the screen. You can do a drop shadow. You can do an inner shadow. It's up to you. I prefer a drop shadow because I like mine's raised. Click the page, and then all that'll disappear. It'll be the size you want it to be. Now, as far as the size of the font, you can make it bigger, but not too overwhelming because you want it to be able to see it on the screen and on the phone. So just imagine when you look at it, this is what they're seeing on their phones. Okay, next I will be adding my name. Yes, I did type my name wrong. I type too fast sometimes. I'm doing the same thing, adding the drop shadow to it. Okay, so there's my name. I'm going to do, guys, in place of my verse that I always put on my, I'm going to put a box here, and I'm just going to put Bible verse. This is just for now, so you can see all that I'm doing with this. Okay, so now we have my logo, my name, my channel name, my name, and then the Bible verse. Down here on the bottom, I have a section where I put what I do. I do home decor, so I'm going to find my font for that. Something. I'll just use this font for now. Okay, drag it down here to where I want it to be at underneath, and I'll type home decor. A space. Then I have THRIFTING, thrifting. Then space. Then I have lifestyle. Then I have space. Then I have makeup. Those are the things I have in my banner underneath. Now, I don't want it as big as the rest of the font, so of course I'm going to make it a little smaller, but it'll still be big enough for you to see on the channel. Now it's centered. Okay, so this is how the banner will look. This gray section here, the darker section. This is what your viewers will see on their cell phones, this area here. Now, to add a color to your background, when you put all this stuff in where you want it to be here, then you click on this gray picture and you click delete over to the side. It will take it away. So now it's about what color you want to do your background, or if you have a picture that you want to add on here. So let's go find a picture. You click add an image. You go to your computer and you find whatever picture that you have in mind to do as your background. Be it a picture you've taken of something in your home, a picture you found somewhere that you think represents your channel really well. Now, I always go up into the left corner. That's what I do. It makes it easier to drag it across and to fit your screen. So you drag it across, and then you take it here. Now, you see all your writing has disappeared. So you go over to the box here where it says layers. You push the down button with you can go one by one, or you can do it automatically. So what I always do is the back one to move it all at one time. Now you see you can barely see my words. So now what I'm going to do is change all of them to black so that you can see the words. Okay, so now there is my banner. Now I'm going to save it so I can upload it to the YouTube channel and you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so now you go up to it says export. You click on export. And I already have the name here, test run banner. Save it as a PNG. Do not save it as a JPEG. Save it as, here it has JPEG or PDF. Save it as a PNG. Now a ping will be able to adjust and fit on your website without going blurry or giving you any issues. All right, so down here it says export to computer. Click that. Now what you want to do is you save it wherever you're going to save it on your computer. And I'm going to save it on my desktop. So down the bottom is saving it. Now it's complete. So now I go over to my YouTube channel. Now up here in the corner, in the upper right corner, you'll see a camera. Click on that camera. That camera says for channel art. Now you want to upload your work you just did. So it's uploads photos. It has a blue line under it. Then you click here to select your photo from your computer. Now I'm going to go back to where I saved my image, which was on my desktop. Test run banner. Click it to add. It's going to upload. Now, once it uploads, you see here how it's going to look on everything you have. You can click to adjust the crop, and it'll show you in the area that's clear, everything you just did is right there. So then you device preview, and you can see how it looks on the computer, how it looks on your phone, and a laptop. Now you click select, and your banner will change on your screen. So here is my new banner. It has the butterfly, Creative with Me with Stephanie, home decor, thrifting, lifestyle, makeup, and the Bible verse that I'll have right here. All that's there on the banner. So that's how you create and save a banner for your YouTube channel. Now, of course, these over here, these little thumbnails here, or these little pictures are for your website and social medias. Now, if you guys need help with setting those up, leave me a message down in the bottom and I'll do a video and I'll take you step by step on how to add your icons for your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, website, whichever, Snapchat. I'll show you how to go through and add them on step by step if you're interested. So leave me a remark down below and I will make a video regarding that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my content. I hope I wasn't too fast for you guys to show you how to set this up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can also email me if you have any questions. My email address will be down below in the description bar as well. And so guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed on the screen here and down below in the description box. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching and you guys be blessed.